Hey guys, I hope you guys are having a great day. Today I'm going to bring you guys how to update the firmware for your RC controller, your DJI RC controller. I have the Mavic 3, you guys can see it right here. And I have the Mavic 3. And I have my RC remote. You guys can see it right here. Okay, so I'm doing a screen recording, so let's go ahead and do step by step. The first thing that I want you to do is to turn on your remote control. Second, turn on your drone. You can do this with the DJI Mini 3, Mini 3 Pro, Mini 4 Pro, the DJI Mavic 3, Mavic 3 Cine, Mavic Classic, Mavic 3 Pro, and so on. So I'm going to click on Profile. The next thing is I'm going to click on Settings. I'm going to check for firmware updates. And there is a new update. I'm going to click Update. And the update is version B01.03.0700. It says it fixed some minor bugs. Let's click Update. And it is updating.
Thought that I'd be healing now. I didn't think I'd have to feel this now.
Okay, so the firmware is updated. Let's go ahead and click the X. I'm going to go ahead and check the profile again. Settings. Firmware update is up to date. Check for flight safe database. It's done. And that's it. You are ready to go. So my recommendation would be restart the drone. So I'm gonna go ahead and restart the drone, and I'm going to go ahead and restart my remote control, and you are set to fly. Now, other recommendations that I have for you guys is make sure you check on the settings, because when you do an update, usually the settings go back to default. Make sure that you check your settings so you have everything according to your liking. And that would be my only recommendation. If you like this video, please click like, subscribe, and I'll see you on the next one. Thank you guys, and have an amazing day. Bye.